Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to appear offline on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to appear offline, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. Right now in your profile, you'll be able to see the green dot. That means you're appearing online right now. So if you want to appear offline, simply tap on the profile picture that you can see on this interface. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find this option for online status. You'll be able to find four options over here: online, idle, do not disturb, invisible. So if you want to appear offline, tap on this option invisible that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the green dot will disappear. That means now you'll not appear online. Now you'll be offline. So that is how you appear offline on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.